So we were discussing stomach. We are done with the basic info of these four parts: cardiac region, body, and fundus. So our body and fundus, this region secrete three glands. It's like three secretion: one, two, three, and it's just like gastric pit which secrete gastric glands. So we have three type of gastric glands as I just told you. So we'll go with the briefing and a lot of things of that. So first gastric gland is zymogen cells. Zymogen cells, what does that do? This is also known as, these have three names. It's also known as peptic cells, and this is also known as chief cells. Okay, so how is that? Like if you have eaten, not eaten, but like enzyme is in your stomach, right? Enzyme. If you see pepsinogen, which is inactive form of pepsinogen, which would be inactive, right? So HCl, which will help them to convert into pepsin. So what will help them? HCl, pepsin, then it will form pepsin, right? And then pepsin is like a conversion of protein. How it's like protein, if you've eaten protein, then it will convert into peptides, then it will be convert into peptones. So in the stomach, your protein is known as peptones, right? So protein to peptones, because protein will be divided to amino acid, these all. So we basically say it's protein, then it comes to peptides, then it will form peptones. Okay, so yes, this only help in converting pepsinogen, which was inactive. Let me write, this was inactive. It get activated by what? It get activated by HCl, just because it help in converting into pepsin, right? So second is like oxygenetic or parietal cells. Oxygenetic or parietal cells. Parietic cells. Okay. So in this, it's like HCl. HCl, like the acidic, this our stomach is very acidic. It's around 1 to 2.5 acidic pH. So without this, it's like HCl, which will convert. It's like pH of HCl is around 1.5 to 2.5. Why does this help? Because if you've eaten any food which was filled with bacteria and a lot of germs have been inserted into your body, so this pH will help them to kill, because not a lot of things could survive on this, I mean acidity. Okay, so this help to kill a lot of acidic things, right? Then the not fourth but the third, they really don't have a lot of works, but these are very important, because it's like a main function of the stomach. You are listening right now, it's like a stomach which help to kill a lot of macrophages, not macrophages but the microorganisms which have been inserted in your body. Then the last is mucosa, next cell, which is like mucosa, next cells, which help in the protection. It's like layer as well, it's like help in protection. Now if you're thinking, if this is the very much acidic, so how it's get covered or dissolve, how stomach is surviving, they have a protection, mucosa next cells, which help in protection. Not that, they also provide lubrication to that, that help in chewing the food, not chewing but specifically mouth does 30% of breakdown of carbohydrate, the remaining would be done by gastric gland. And in gastric glands, it's mucosa, submucosa, fundus, and body, they does all these. So it's helping the protection plus lubrication. They provide fluidity to the food so that it could easily